Hi guys, welcome to my videos. I hope you all are doing really well. So guys, just now I had got my haircut and just want to tell you the cost of men haircut in Canada. So in the province of Ontario, when I had come here 10 years back, it was sufficient to spend $10, $12. I have got my haircut done in $10, $12. But nowadays, same level of saloons, I pay around $25. Just now I paid $25, So it's really high. At some places inside malls, I have seen their signboards of even $40. So things have gone high. Like, to be honest with you guys, I really did not want to go for the haircut. Instead, I could do it myself. I had done it during the pandemic. I learned the technique and a few times I did it myself. But I have been forced by my family members to go and get the haircut done, and I just did, and I am regretting because I had to spend $25 that I could spend on something else, something better. So that's what I am saying, that I could have perhaps done much better, but that's okay. Sometimes you have to spend even if you do not want to. But just to give you an idea, guys, it's now very expensive everywhere. There's another saloon down here. They were asking me to pay $30, and I said no thank you, and I came to this with $25. Everywhere I go in this locality, nowhere I find less than $25. This is probably the cheapest one I'm going. At some places you may get like I have seen online ads $15, but I really don't know what is gonna be over there. So it's gonna be like that. Thanks for watching this video.